We are working on 2006 Cadillac Escalade. Customer came in with this issue. It's kind of unusual. Alright. So when you have turn signal on the left, it works. You can see it works fine. However, when you do turn signal on the right, the light stays on. The mirror, it's hard to tell, but the mirror light stays on. Another thing is, let me turn off that turn signal. Turn it off. Now when I do that, you see the brake light is on. Nobody's stepping on the brake yet. The brake light's on. Turn signal always works on this side. So we have inspected a relay. This is the relay behind this fuse box. There's a relay like this. Inspected, relay's fine. We checked, he's got aftermarket headlights, tail lights, third brake lights. We checked all those bulbs to see if they are incorrectly installed. They're all fine. Now, I'm going to show you. This car, customer purchased a aftermarket trailer hitch, which is mounted right here. So if you look in here, see that bottom terminal that's all black, and one of the terminal, bottom right corner on the bottom, and the one center one, I see there's a burnt mark and little metal object touching those two contacts together. So Ricardo, clean that for me. Is there a plug behind we can unplug?
Let's see. It's got factory plug here.
Unplug it. We're gonna unplug that. Okay. No more brake lights on. Parking lights on. Is the parking light switch on? Alright, so we have parking lights on. See if the parking light is out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna hit the brake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that works. Before I didn't have any brake lights. The left turn signal works. Right turn signal still doesn't work.
No, it's because it's unplugged.
Oh, wait, we got unplugged, so we gotta plug it in. We forgot to plug it in this. Now, it works. Before, this was lit all the time. Brake light was lit all the time. No more brake light. It's flashing fast because there is a one wire terminal. It broke off. So we're gonna fix that. So once we fix it, the turn signal will slow down. So we know this trailer hitch wiring, which is an aftermarket one, by unplugging it from the factory side, which is right here, it fixed the trouble because this thing is all burnt up, as you can see. So I'm gonna tell customer to replace that trailer hitch wiring, and everything should be fine. So next time you guys experience, see this one is fine now. Before it was lit all the time. So that's how you're gonna determine whether you have bad relay or trailer hitch in the back, which is the most common issue on this car.